Welcome back to Freshers Now channel. Today's video is especially for all of the MBA graduates. So whoever is looking forward to land up in TCS, this is the right video for you. So TCS is hiring for MBA graduates itself. So this video is going to be about TCS MBA hiring drive for 2021. If you want to read the details on your own, you can check the link which is provided in the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to our website Freshers Now, which will give you all of the information plus the links to directly apply. All of this at one place in Freshers Now website. And for regular job updates, you can check our Telegram channel Freshers Now. Link is in the description. Don't forget to check it out. TCS has opened its vacancies or positions for all of the MBA or management graduates. So we'll look into the eligibility criteria here. The registration end date is going to be on 9th of November 2021. The test dates and the interview dates will soon going to be released. So it is not yet announced. So as you can see here, and if you want to register, you can just click on it. We'll look into that further. We'll first look into the eligibility criteria. So what is this TCS MBA hiring about? For the year passing of 2020 to 2022, all of the freshers also are eligible to apply, and this is exclusively open for all of the management graduates who want to work into the workforce of TCS, who want to build a path of the foundation for the marketable career, and also if you want to transform your business skills globally, you want to bring out innovative solutions, you can join and be a part of the team TCS. Now here's how you can apply. You have to follow these steps which are given here. Step 1 is log into the TCS Next portal. You can click here and you can start and register and apply for the TCS MBA hiring. And if you are already registered, you can directly log in with the details that you have. And then if you are a new user, please register and then select the category IT and then fill in all your details, submit your application form. Now select your mode of test as a remote and then you can click to apply. Track your applications because you can know as to how far you have applied and how far your application is heading over. And important notes is you must have original academic documents, which includes your mark sheets, your provisionals, your degree certificates, everything which is related to your academics. And communication regarding your test will be soon shared in TCS Ion. And TCS will not be sending you any sort of job offers or employment offers through your email. So please don't get manipulated with all of the unofficial email IDs which comes to your email. And also you will not be asked to pay any sort of money to TCS as well. So there is no need to pay money. You have to just do your application. And it is not associated with any sort of external agencies or company. So do not get frauded of the middle agencies. Next, if you want any sort of help from TCS directly, you can email them or you can call them up and you can solve all your queries. Heading over to the application steps where you have to register now. So once if I click here, you will be then redirected to this page. So here it is asking me to register now. So I'll be clicking here again. And here I told you already to select IT. So once if you select IT, you will be landing over this page where it will be asking you your biodata. You have to type in your name, put your date of birth, gender, email, and make sure that your email and mobile number are working valid, because further confirmations will be sending into your email, not any sort of communications. So it will be just useful for the confirmations. So what are your education qualifications, the year of passing, what is the nearest test location that you can take up to, and then please enter your password and please check the password policies, which means you should have these characteristics, these symbols which needs to be included, all of the basic details regarding password policy. And then you can put your security question and answer to it and then type the characteristics and then you can submit. You can't leave this empty. You have to fill in every single column which is mentioned here. Only then you can submit. If you have further queries, place them in the comment section. Subscribe and thank you for watching.